Niggas, this is Springfield College. See, this place is fucking big, nigga. This is VJ walking with his ball coming from Springfield College. We just chilling. This is me, people. Sexy one. See that, people? Yeah, that's me, peoples. Okay. And to all the massive them, you know shit. I in a Springfield there right now, just a walk and a chill. This man just sit down. Mine, I go. Man saying like them give up on him style. So you like them dead. So that means say dead. So me can't kick you, that means say you don't feel it, you know, so. Hey? You know? Okay, okay. You can't get answer what? Hold on, Palmer. You see this over there? Over there big, you know?
I'm gonna make sure I find that shit and post it.
Yo, this is Nick, the girl, body, click. It's me, I say, it's them abs here. Where party can find them abs here? Nowhere else more than the Yannick Alexander website at elinick00 at yahoo.com.
It's not your website, fuck time.
Or you can check out Nikki_Z at live.com, Yannick.Nelson at yahoo.com. Me just all over the place. Nicky Z at Yahoo. You know? I just saw me roll. You can check out my soccer videos anywhere on Facebook, MySpace, check them out even on Twitter. You know, so we have to keep the girls coming, tweeting and everything, you know? Alright. This boy just eating and misting, but we can't say nothing. We can't really pre that. Cause we not pre-gully. A Gaza, me say. We not pre-gully. Alright, you hear that? We not pre-gully. A Gaza, me say.
On your Gaza, me say to Batman.
Straight. 876, nigga. Straight. Empire way. Gaza, me say. Middle East. See there? West side. West Bank. Anyway. Gaza. Alright, that's all.